Welcome back to Financial Education Club. We are now down to applying for the Net 30 accounts. Now, there are different accounts like Net 15, 60, and 90, but I stick with the Net 30. There's no difference in them except for when you have to pay back. Net 15 is you have to pay it back in full within 15 days. I stay at Net 30. The business credit report can be started much the same as a consumer report with small credit amounts or cards. These types of initial cards in the business world are commonly referred to as vendor credit. You must start a business credit profile and score with starter vendors. A vendor line of credit is when a company extends a line of credit to your business on net 15, 30, 60, or 90-day terms. This means that you can purchase their product or service up to the maximum dollar amount, and you have that many days to pay it back in full. Right here are some vendors that will extend Net 30 accounts and they report: Uline, Quill, AT&T, Reliable, Granger, Bitway Design, 4imprint.com, Gimplers, that's a good one, Majestic Advertising, Seaton, Supply Hero, Discount School Supplies, Marathon Petroleum, The Supply Room. You need about 3 to 5 of these reporting on your Duns & Bradstreet profile and get a Paydex score before we move on to Tier 2. So right now you just need to worry about applying for Net 30 accounts, getting approved, and purchasing $50 or more at least 3 times each with each company. And you need about 3 to 5 trade lines. 5 trade lines will be perfect. When you go to Tier 2, which is going to be store cards like Best Buy, Target, they're going to be looking at how many trade lines that you have on your credit, your business credit. And most of them want to see about 5 of them before you get approved. So do not skip this step with just 1 or 2. You need to have at least 3 or 5 of them. And you need to have at least 3 purchases with each vendor. Very crucial. Now, we're going to have live classes, so this list will be updated freshly in the live classes, and then we'll come back and update it here also. But these companies have been around. They report to Duns & Bradstreet and Experian, and you want to go ahead and start getting these Net 30 accounts now. Now, you go to their website, you open a business account. You just open a business account. They're free to do. And then you check out. You find something that you want to buy that's $50 or more. You don't pay with credit card. They should say invoice me or something like that. Invoice me or get terms, get credit. And they'll either send you an email that says it was shipped or you was denied or you got to pay up front. But I would start off with Uline. Quill, I got off the phone with a lady at Quill. They want to see one thing reporting on DNB. So remember that before you go to Quill and get a Net 30. They want to see one thing reporting with the DNB. Reliable. There's some good ones. Granger. You want to get these reporting on your Duns & Bradstreet report and get that Paydex score. So definitely get these Net 30s accounts right here, because these are going to be crucial before you move on to Tier 2, which will be store cards.